Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Maastricht University's email account. So let's get started. So to log into your Maastricht University's email account, what you can do is just open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Maastricht University's login email. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page. And now what you can do is just tap on this third option which says login, which is from Maastricht Universities. Now after tapping on that, now what you can do is just enter your email address and then enter your password. So after entering your email address and password, what you can do is just tap on login, and you can check this option which is remind me. So it will remind you whenever you again try to log into your account. So you can check this option, and after doing that, what you can do is just tap on login and you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just reset or recode your password by tapping on forgot your password and create a new password for your account. After creating a new password, just come back to this login page and just enter the new password that you have created. And after entering that new password, you can just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Maastricht University's email account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.